Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Ron and I've got the Galaxy Note 9 on day one from Samsung to be unboxed. So without wasting any time, let's just get to it. I have this bag that I got from the Samsung store and I got the blue version with the yellow S Pen. So what do we have in the bag? I have my bill from the dealer, a good picture on receiving the note, and here's the box of the Note 9. Pretty straightforward box like the other Samsung phones. The S Pen in the front, on the side it's written Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Let's look at the specifications. It is a 128GB version, so it's dual, Quad HD plus Super AMOLED, and it has a 4000 mAh battery and supports wireless charging. Right, let's get to it then. I'm quickly just going to slide that open. So the packet's out. I like the finish of this box. This thing slides open here. Alright, let's move this over aside. Okay, it says here, do not accept if seal is broken, caution sealed package. It says Indian SIM card only, it will not work with any other international SIM card also. Okay, let's just cut that. Here you go, we have that open. So let's see what are the contents. Okay, it says Galaxy Note 9. Let's pick that up. Right here is the SIM ejector tool. What do we have here? To my surprise, Samsung has given a case with the phone itself in the Indian edition. I did not expect this. I was actually looking for a case in the market because Samsung has not released all its official cases and I wanted the silicone case. But from here I see that Samsung has already given a case right out of the box. This is a transparent TPU flex case. So to keep that aside, there's a quick start guide, which you can of course read if you want more information. What else is here? There's a SIM ejector tool, ejector pin. There's that there. Okay, nothing else. Let's look at the phone now. Let's keep that aside. Let's see what else we have in the box. Okay, here is a fast charging brick, Indian edition. An OTG adapter, USB Type A to micro USB to Type C connector. And over here I've got the AKG headphones and a micro USB Type C, a USB Type C cable, some ear tips, and a lead for the S Pen. That's about it, nothing else in the box. So keeping that aside, so here are the contents of the box for the Galaxy Note 9 available in India. Starting with the case, a SIM ejector pin, an OTG adapter from USB Type A to USB Type C, a quick start guide, a USB Type C cable, some ear tips, a replacement tip for the S Pen, an AKG headphones that ship with Samsung phones, Galaxy phones now, and a fast charging brick. So that's about it, folks, for this video. I'll be posting more videos for the Galaxy Note 9 and to check its compatibility with the AirPods and other headsets as well as how this fits in the Gear VR. So do subscribe to the channel and hit on the notifications button to get notified once I post those videos. Thank you for joining in. This is Ron. Bye bye.